Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make butter slime. First, gather your ingredients and tools. You'll need 1 cup of white glue, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1 tablespoon of contact lens solution. Also, have lotion, baby oil, and a 2-ounce block of soft clay ready. Don't forget a mixing bowl and a sturdy spoon for combining everything. Let's get started. Now, let's create the slime base. Pour 1 cup of white glue into your mixing bowl. Add 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda and stir well until it's completely dissolved. This step is crucial for the slime's texture. Next, slowly incorporate 1 tablespoon of contact lens solution. Keep mixing until the ingredients start to come together and thicken slightly. You're doing great. It's time to activate your slime. Keep adding small amounts of contact lens solution, about 1/2 teaspoon at a time, until the mixture begins to pull away cleanly from the sides of the bowl. Then, transfer it to a clean surface and knead for 5 to 10 minutes. Once it's less sticky, add 1 pump of lotion and 1/2 teaspoon of baby oil for extra softness. This makes it super stretchy. Finally, let's achieve that signature butter slime texture. Take your 2-ounce block of soft clay and flatten it into a thin sheet. Place your prepared slime on top of the flattened clay. Carefully fold the clay around the slime, then begin to knead it thoroughly. Continue kneading until the clay is completely mixed in and the slime is smooth, spreadable, and wonderfully buttery. Enjoy your creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.